Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. You know, every now and then in this business, we get one of the cars in, one of the vehicles in that just stand out at you and you remember because it is such a good deal. Well, this is that one. This is that Ford Ranger with the 4.0 liter engine in it, the one that everybody looks for, and it's under $8,000. This truck just hit 100,000 miles. It is in outstanding condition, inside and out. Has the best engine they put in one of the Rangers, that 4.0. It was a local truck and under $8,000. I'm telling you folks, this is just one of those deals that gets you excited when you're on this end of the table. This one has the FX4 package. You can see it has the spray-in bed liner. It was sprayed in really good, and yes, told you, it was a local truck. This truck is super clean. It was local. It has relatively new BFG ATs on it, which is the best tire you could put on a truck. You do get your sliding rear window. This Ranger is the 4-door truck. Those doors will pop open. Of course, there's not a ton of room back there, but you could get one, maybe two people back there comfortably, and you do have plenty of room for your other stuff. This one does have your power options. And you can see, again, just a super clean truck. Get your cruise control. And then one of my favorite features, yes, this one is the 5-speed. 5-speed manual transmission, guys. Super hard to find, super desirable, but in my opinion, the only way to have it. Of course, this one is 4-wheel drive. You do even get your premium audio with your 6-disc in-dash CD changer. Of course, you have your air conditioning. You have your center console there with plenty of storage. And again, look at the truck. It is super, super clean. You just can't find a clean 4-wheel drive truck with good miles for under $8,000. Here it is. Best of all, we got a 6-month, 6,000-mile warranty on this unit. So you got a truck, good miles, 4-wheel drive, manual transmission, and under $8,000 with a 6-month, 6,000-mile warranty. And we do not have any processing fee, guys. No processing fees. So stop in here, take a look at this truck, but get here quick because I can tell you it's not going to last long because these trucks are just hard to find. Don't miss it. If you have any questions, call us or text us at 540-433-7335. Get here quick, guys. Thanks for stopping by.